Imagine you've been diligently stacking crypto on Kraken, patiently waiting for that moonshot moment. The charts are finally aligned, your chosen token is on a tear, and you're ready to cash in. But a nagging question pops into your head: how much of that hard-earned crypto can you actually withdraw? Fear not, crypto warrior. Fear not. Because today, we're diving deep into the world of Kraken withdrawal limits. We'll crack open that Kraken vault and see just how much treasure you can walk away with at a time. Why do withdrawal limits even exist? It might seem like a conspiracy by the crypto overlords to keep your gains hostage, but there are actually some legitimate reasons for withdrawal limits. Here's the gist. Security. Kraken, like any responsible exchange, wants to make sure your hard-earned crypto isn't slipping out the door through unauthorized means. Limits help them identify and prevent suspicious activity. Market stability. Imagine a scenario where everyone decides to yank their entire crypto portfolio out of Kraken at once. It could cause some serious market fluctuations. Limits help regulate the flow and prevent sudden jolts. Compliance. Kraken has to follow the rules set by financial regulators. These rules often involve Know Your Customer, KYC, procedures and transaction monitoring, which can be facilitated by withdrawal limits. All right, enough with the why, let's get to the how much. Now for the part you've all been waiting for. Here's the breakdown on how much you can withdraw on Kraken, which depends on your account verification level. Starter account. This is the basic level, perfect for crypto newbies. The drawback? You can't withdraw any fiat currency, like USD or Euro, at this stage. However, you can still withdraw cryptocurrency with a daily limit of $5,000. Intermediate account. This is where things start getting interesting. Intermediate accounts allow fiat withdrawals of up to $100,000 per day and a whopping $500,000 per month. For crypto withdrawals, the limit remains the same as the starter account, $5,000 daily. Pro account. Consider yourself a crypto pro. This account is designed for high-volume traders. Here, the gloves come off. Fiat withdrawals are pretty much unlimited, and there's no monthly cap. Crypto withdrawals also see a significant bump, with a daily limit exceeding $10 million, yes, million with an M. Beyond the limits, fees and considerations. While withdrawal limits are the main course, there are a couple of side dishes to consider. Withdrawal fees. Kraken charges fees for both fiat and crypto withdrawals. These fees vary depending on the chosen withdrawal method. Always double-check the specific fee before hitting that withdraw button. Waiting periods. For certain deposit methods, like ACH transfers, there might be a short holding period before you can withdraw the equivalent amount in crypto. Verification hold. Just changed your password? There might be a 24-hour hold on withdrawals to new addresses for security reasons. Remember, verification is your friend. As you can see, the higher your verification level, the higher your withdrawal limits. While it might take a little extra effort to get verified, it unlocks the full potential of your Kraken account and gives you more control over your crypto. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.